Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to trade with BullX bot. First thing first, open Telegram and join the BullX bot. The bot automatically creates your account when you start the chat. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup, and once complete, you'll be redirected to the BullX website to access your dashboard. Now, the BullX dashboard is your trading control center. You can set new pairs, audit reports, quick buy, and wallet manager. You can spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard layout. To start trading on BullX, go to Wallet Manager and copy your BullX wallet address. Send Solana from your Phantom wallet or any exchange, and once received, your balance will update on the dashboard and in the Telegram bot. Now download your private key within 24 hours of wallet creation. Store it safely offline, and you can import this key into Phantom or Magic Eden wallet anytime. If you lose the key, you lose access to your funds. No recovery possible. Now that you're funded, explore new tokens in the new pairs section. Use audit reports to verify token safety and place limit orders directly from the chart. Also track all holdings across chains in Portfolio Manager. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.